You guys, it's Lisa Murphy here. I'm so excited. Today I'm actually going to be creating an illusion makeup using the new Mehron and the new Mimi Choi illusion palette. Illusions are one of my favorite things to paint, and they are challenging, but the coolest thing in the world is this palette, which allows you to have everything you need at your fingertips.
Okay, so I'm gluing down my brows, and then the first step is going to be taking the white water-activated Paradise paint and just doing a rough outline. At certain points I took steps back, I looked straight on. Since the photo that I'm going to be taking is going to be straight on, I'm taking that into consideration in the beginning. I always find it really helpful to take a moment to take a few photos just to ensure that all the lines match up. Next, I'm taking the HT Cream Foundation in Medium 1, blending it in with a tad bit of the Dark 4, and just starting to shade in the base. I usually prefer to do my eyelids last. I guess I kind of just went for it here, but it does help in the long run if a paint's going to take a few hours. So here I'm going in with the black Paradise paint, and I'm blocking out the areas. It kind of enables me to see the illusion a little bit better. Now I'm setting it with the Intense Pro powder in graphite. It's really important, if you really want that solid blacked out look, to go back and set it with something that intensifies it and lets it last a little bit longer and just helps you block out and create the perfect illusion. Now I'm going to be doing some shading. I took the dark brown water activated paint and just started at the base of both sides of the circle, the top and the bottom. As I get to the center, I go a little bit lighter and a little bit lighter. And I'm doing that to the entire areas where it looks to be carved. Now I'm taking the black water activated paint, kind of diluting it a little bit at first, just to make sure that I get a good blend and a gradient scale just kind of fades into the center. But then I do go back with a little bit more and layer it towards the very top and the very bottom, again just so I can achieve that carved out illusion. Next I take the white water activated paint right in the center, just because that's where the light's going to hit, mostly giving you that illusion effect.
Halloween. So I can't not turn this into a Halloween look. So that's my plan. Let's try it.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the white water activated Paradise paint and I'm blocking the center of my face out. Now I take the espresso eyeshadow and carve out the design. What really helped in achieving this perspective was kind of looking up any visuals of profiles or semi-profiles that can help kind of allow me to gauge how I should be painting this. Like I said, I've never done it before, so this was a little tricky for me. So because the illusion has this part of the face kind of in the shadow, I wasn't super concerned about the details. I kind of squinted and it was a little bit blurry, but in the end I took the graphite eyeshadow and I just packed it on there. So when I'm drawing on the mouth, I did use a red Paradise paint, blended it with the white Paradise paint, and came up with a nice light pink. So this look technically requires a red Paradise paint. Now I'm going in with the black Paradise paint to define the mouth. Now I'm going back with the Intense Pro Powder and Graphite to do a little shading around the mouth just to kind of bring it out and make it more realistic and three-dimensional. I'm also going around the structures of the nose, and you'll see me starting to carve out a little bit more of the facial structure as well with the same powder. Now I'm taking that red Paradise paint again, and I'm just going to give this a little bit of a color. Not sure if you guys are starting to see it yet, but it's pretty creepy. I'm loving it though. I feel like it's one of the coolest challenges I've ever given myself. I want to thank Mehron, and I want to thank Mimi Choi for being a constant inspiration in my life. I appreciated this opportunity to create a fun illusion, one that challenges me and is perfect for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please follow me at LisaMarie_Murphy if you want to see more of what I do.